Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel again. In this video, we are going to discuss a question in which the ratio of the sums of the same AP, sum of m terms and sum of n terms of the same AP is given to us, that is m square by n square, right? So we know the general sum formula of an AP. We find out the sum of m terms first, then we will find the sum of n terms. We divide them, we have some value that is equals to m square by n square, right? Now we have to find the ratio of the mth term, which is am, and the nth term, that is an. So am by an value we have to find out as 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1, right? So see, to do a question there are many ways. So this is one of the way. So let's understand this way to find out the result, right? So it's a simple question, just we are using two formula. One is for the sum and one is for the mth and the nth term, right? So yes, let's start with the video, everyone. What is the question giving, everyone? So this is a little complicated question. You have to see. Question is not complicated, but how to find out the ratio is little complicated, okay? The question is that sum of the n terms of 2 AP. First of all, what is the given part? Let's focus on that there are 2 APs. So let's take first AP, and we don't know about the AP, so we have to let them. So first AP, let's take is A1, A2, A3 and up till AN. Then for the second AP, I have with this B1, B2, B3 and Bn. These are the two APs given. Both the APs are different, so their first term is also different, and the common difference that they have, that is also different. So I'm taking small d for the first one and capital D common difference for the second one. Now what is given? The sum of the n terms. So they are talking about the n terms. Last term is an and bn for the two APs. Now next they are talking about the sums. So whenever we are talking about the sum of an AP, so we have the general formula, that is Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d, right? So let's discuss, everyone. Their sum ratio is given. So first find out the sum of the first AP. So when we will talk about the sum of the first AP, is its Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a1, because the first term is a1, n minus 1 times d. Small d, I have taken the common difference of the first AP. Similarly, for the second AP, it is Sn2 is equals to n by 2, 2b1 plus n minus 1 times capital D. This is for the second AP. Now, their ratio is given. What is Sn1 by Sn2 is given. So when I divide these left with the left and right with the right, it will be Sn1 by Sn2, that is equals to n by 2, 2a1 plus n minus 1 times d. And for this one, it will be 2b1 plus n minus 1 times capital D. N by 2 cancel out. What is given? Sn1 by Sn2 we have is 5n plus 4 and 2n plus 6, right? Now, sorry, 9n plus 6. Now, please see that what they are asking you. They are asking you the ratio of their 18th term. For the first AP, the 18th term will be A18. And for the second AP, the 18th term will be B18. So they are asking you the ratio of this. So whenever we are talking about the particular term, so we are using the general formula of An, which is An is equals to A plus n minus 1 times D. If you will see, when I will find the 18th term for the first AP, so it will be A18 is equals to A1 plus 18 minus 1, which is 17th D. And for the second AP, B18 is equals to B1 plus 17 D. Okay. Now, in the sum part, what I left with is 2A1 plus n minus 1 times D and 2B1 plus n minus 1 times D. I have 2A1, but here, what I found for the 18th term, I have A1 only. So to make A1 as 2A1, I just multiply both sides with 2. So 17 times 2 is 34. Similarly, I have done here also, it will be this. Now, if you will see, everyone, very, very important part I am taking here. This is the main part of the question. 2A1, when I will see what thing I have done here, when I will put in this equation, let's take this equation as equation 1. So when I put equation 1, when I put as n is equals to 35, when I will put, because I want this as 34D. So to make it 34D, I put n as 35. Okay. So it will become, when I put n is equals to 35 in equation 1, so it will be this, 2A1 plus 35 minus 1 is 34D and 2B1 plus 34 capital D, right? Now, when I put n as 35 in this sum ratio, so if you will see 2A1 plus 34D is equals to what? 2A1 plus 34D is equals to this one, okay? So, just a second. Okay, now I'm putting the values, everyone. So in the right hand side, 2A1 plus 34D, that is equals to 2 of 18. So 5, see here, I have done one thing mistake. I have not put N35 here also. I have to put here also. So let's put it here also. Okay, so it will be 5 times 35 plus 4 and 9 times 35 plus 6, that is equals to 2A1 plus 34D and 2B1 plus 34 capital D. So multiply it. So it will be 175. 175 plus 4 is 179. Similarly, when you solve this one, so it will be 315 plus 6, which is 321. Okay, that is equals to, now what is the value of 2A1 plus 34D? That is equals to 2 of 18. And here it will be 2 of this. 2 cancel out. So what is the ratio I got as A18 by B18 as 179 by 3 to 1. So this is the final value we got as the ratio of A18 and B18. See everyone, what is the main thing what I have done? I have just write the 18th term by using the AN formula. In that I have multiplied both sides with 2 and I have just put the value of this and this in the ratio of the sum. That's it. But that is the important part. What you have to put as n, right? So yes, thank you everyone. Thank you so much.